Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you the Airvolt Handheld Rechargeable Blower. Now, you might have seen something like this on viral videos and TV. Now, we evaluated so many of these, and we found this one to be far and away the best with some unique features. This gives you the power of a full-size leaf blower in a super light handheld version. Now, this actually might be more powerful than a lot of leaf blowers on the market, but with this one, you don't have to worry about buying gas, you don't have to worry about tune-ups, you don't have to worry about plug-in cords. This is completely cordless because it's got a rechargeable battery inside. You are gonna love using this. It's fantastic for cleaning out debris, and you can use it in a shed, your garage, your front entryway, a patio. I love using it in my SUV trunk. It cleans out all that debris really easily. Now, here's a feature that full-size leaf blowers can't have, a variable speed trigger. You can push it and get the exact amount of power you want. When you pull the trigger all the way back, you'll feel the kickback. That shows you just how powerful the motor is. Now, what sets this one apart from others on the market is the rechargeable battery. You don't need special charging cradles. It just uses a convenient USB-C cord. The battery, it's 6,000 mAh, but guess what? You can actually use it to charge other devices, like your phone or other tools. To use the charging output, right here, you simply plug in your device and hit this white button to activate it. It even has a convenient battery indicator, so you know how much power you always have. Now, here's something I've never seen a battery have, a flashlight. You simply push the button to use it, and you can use this in a dimly lit shed, a dimly lit garage. It's so convenient. But here's what I really love about this. You can detach it and use it as a handheld flashlight that you can take anywhere. One thing to note, you have to push this button in order to activate it. I've used full-size blowers for years. Not anymore. I'm ditching them and using this one. It's so lightweight, easy to grab, and you can take it anywhere. You'll be using this all year round. It's great for blowing the dirt after planting flowers, clearing a campsite, fall yard work. You can even use this in the winter to blow light snow. So many of you inquired, when are we getting a blower like this? We've done all the hard work. If you're looking for a great quality, great priced blower, head on over to Pulse TV and grab this one.